Crispy Korean fried duck with a spicy gochujang glaze. Serves 3 and takes 45 minutes to prepare. Ingredients for 3 servings. 2 boneless duck breasts, about 1.5 pounds total. 1 cup of cornstarch. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 6 cups of vegetable oil for frying, about 1.4 liters. 3 tablespoons of gochujang, about 45 grams. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, about 30 milliliters. 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, about 15 milliliters. 2 tablespoons of honey, about 30 milliliters. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, about 5 milliliters. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger, about 5 grams. 2 scallions, thinly sliced. Crispy Korean fried duck with gochujang glaze, ready to enjoy. If you liked this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more.